How to change the phone number on Halifax Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to set a new phone number on Halifax Bank, here are the process. First and foremost, visit the halifax.co.uk. Next up, tap on the sign in button and provide your username and password to get logged in. Once you have logged in by authorizing the credentials, click on your profile in the top right corner. Once you have clicked on your profile, you will see the option Update Contact Details. Thereby, you will see the option to enter your phone number. Follow the prompts to confirm the changes and verify your identity. This will include entering a security code sent to your new number. And once this is done, you should be able to change the phone number. However, if you encounter any issues, you can directly contact the Halifax customer service for assistance. This way, you should be able to change your phone number. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.